Amritanshi Joshi is with us from Bhopal and Amit Bhardwaj joins us from India Gate in the national capital. Amritanshi, coming to you, where exactly are you? I do see some Yoga Day celebrations which are also underway. Tell us more.
So right now we are present at the Atal Path, where CM Dr. Mohan Yadav along with all the administrative officials and politicians performed yoga here. And after the event also we saw a bunch of people from different groups, whether they are children, whether they are women, men, all age groups were here to perform yoga, and people started coming early in the morning. They reached here at 5 a.m. and they were excited to perform yoga on the International Yoga Day. As Prime Minister said that yoga brings peace. We have women with us who performed yoga in the front line with CM Dr. Mohan Yadav, and along while Prime Minister Narendra Modi was performing yoga. Let's talk to them that how yoga brings peace to them, how yoga is necessary for mental well-being and health. मैम, आप लोगों ने आज योगा परफॉर्म किया है, क्या आप लोग डेली बेसिस पर परफॉर्म करते हैं?
जी, डेली करते हैं हम लोग। हमेशा हम तो 8 साल से बराबर कर रहे हैं, और अभी जो मोदी जी का प्रोग्राम था तो 15 तारीख से हम अपने मंडल के लोगों को भी ट्रेन किया है हमने।
क्या फायदा है योग से? योग से ही होगा हेल्थ और
मेंटल हेल्थ भी अच्छी रहती है और हेल्थ भी एकदम स्वस्थ रहता है आदमी योग से। स्वास्थ्य के लिए योगा करना बहुत अच्छा है। आज मोदी जी के उस पर 169 देशों ने एक साथ योगा किया है।
We saw that many of the people did yoga here, and they said that why is yoga necessary? They are telling that from years they are performing yoga here, and this is a part of a routine of them now. Yes, back to you.
All right, be with us. I'll just come back to you, Amritanshi. Getting in those details, Amit Bhardwaj also joining us from the iconic India Gate in the national capital. Amit, tell us, how are the celebrations at the India Gate right now? What are you seeing around here?
Sneha, this is certainly celebratory because, you had Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Visakhapatnam giving that mantra, how yoga brings in peace. And I'm being joined by many of the yoga practitioners from all age and group. And we'll begin with two young yoga practitioners from Morarji Desai Institute. What's your name? And what's the message that you take away from here and would want to share with, people across the country?
So my name is Pragya Patel, and I am a 1 month student of Morarji Desai Institute of Yoga. And the message which I took from here is the theme of this Yoga Divas, that is yoga for one earth and one health. That means everything is interconnected, and our health, the health of human beings, are totally dependent upon the health of earth, right, the health of whole ecosystem. Right. So that's the message from.
Okay. And you must be the ones who, practice yoga on a daily basis and would be also looking at it as a career?
Absolutely, yes. After completion of my graduation, I will be looking at it as my part-time career, because I think along with the benefits of physical, mental, spiritual, it is a good source of earning as well. And the message I took from this big day, that whatever the age is, whatever the, whether it's a children, whether it's an adult, whether it's an old age person, everyone should be doing yoga, no matter what their age is.
Right. So that's the message. And on this side, we have, a different, group of people who had gathered here as enthusiasts. So you guys do yoga on a daily basis? Yeah, aaj ke liye.
I've been doing yoga for ages now. And
all right, I'll just in fact go back to Amit in a moment from now. And also to my other colleagues, both to Apurva and Amritanshi Joshi from Bhopal. But listen in now to what the Prime Minister said earlier, emphasizing on the fact that yoga is universal. He's also touched upon the growing problem of obesity in India. Let's take a listen.
The theme of this year's International Day of Yoga is yoga for one earth, one health. This theme reflects a deep truth. The health of every entity on earth is interconnected. Human well-being depends on the health of the soil that grows our food, on the rivers that gives us water, on the health of the animals that share our ecosystems, on the plants that nourish us. Yoga awakens us to this interconnectedness. Yoga leads us on a journey towards oneness with the world. It teaches us that we are not isolated individuals, but part of nature. Initially, we learn to take good care of our own health and wellness. Gradually, our care and concern extends to our environment, society, and planet. Yoga is a great personal discipline. At the same time, it is a system that takes us from me to we. ये नेवी के सभी जहाजों में भी अभी बहुत शानदार योगा कार्यक्रम चल रहा है। चाहे सिडनी ओपेरा हाउस की सीढ़ियां हो या एवरेस्ट की चोटी हो या फिर समंदर का विस्तार हो, हर जगह से एक ही संदेश आता है, योग सभी का है और सभी के लिए है। योग is for everyone, beyond boundaries, beyond backgrounds, beyond age or ability. योग का सीधा साधा अर्थ होता है जुड़ना। और ये देखना सुखद है कि कैसे योग ने पूरे विश्व को जोड़ा है। साथियों, आज योग दिवस पर मैं ओबेसिटी की तरफ भी फिर से सभी का ध्यान आकर्षित करना चाहूंगा। बढ़ती ओबेसिटी पूरी दुनिया के लिए एक बड़ा चैलेंज है। मैंने मन की बात कार्यक्रम में भी इस पर विस्तार से चर्चा की थी। इसके लिए अपने खान पान में 10% ऑयल कम करने का चैलेंज भी शुरू किया था। मैं एक बार फिर देशवासियों से, दुनिया भर के लोगों को इस चैलेंज से जुड़ने का आह्वान करता हूं। अपने खाने में कैसे हम कम से कम 10% ऑयल कंजम्पशन कम करें, इसके लिए जागरूकता फैलानी है। ऑयल की खपत कम करना, अनहेल्दी डाइट से बचना और योग करना, ये बेहतर फिटनेस की जड़ी बूटी है। साथियों, आइए हम सब मिलकर योग को एक जन आंदोलन बनाएं। एक ऐसा आंदोलन जो विश्व को शांति, स्वास्थ्य और समरसता की ओर ले जाए। जहां हर व्यक्ति दिन की शुरुआत योग से करे और जीवन में संतुलन पाए।